Welcome, fellow wanderers. Today we embark on a virtual journey to the heart of the Middle East, Kuwait, a country brimming with breathtaking landscapes. Nestled at the edge of the Arabian Peninsula, this nation is a tapestry of contrasts, from the vast and timeless expanses of its deserts, where golden dunes undulate under the azure sky, to the shimmering coastline, dotted with pearl diving sites and opulent resorts. Kuwait offers a unique blend of natural beauty. But the allure doesn't stop there. The urban landscapes of Kuwait City, a skyline punctuated by modern architectural marvels, bears testament to the country's rich history and its stride towards the future. As we journey through this land, we'll discover a country that balances tradition and modernity, nature and urbanity, with an effortless grace. Fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the enchanting vistas of Kuwait. Imagine a vast expanse of golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see. Welcome to the deserts of Kuwait. In this land of extreme contrasts, nothing is quite as mesmerizing as the deserts of Kuwait. These aren't just empty expanses. No, they're a testament to life's resilience, an arena where nature plays out its most dramatic performances. Here, even the most subtle shifts of wind can transform the landscape, creating a constantly evolving panorama of shifting sand dunes. These dunes, ever-changing and always on the move, embody the very spirit of the desert. They rise and fall, crest and ebb, like the waves of a golden ocean frozen in time. Their beauty lies in their simplicity, in the raw, unadorned spectacle of nature's handiwork. But the deserts of Kuwait are not just about the sand. They're also a haven for a surprising variety of wildlife. From the nimble desert fox to the resilient camel, life here has adapted in extraordinary ways. Each creature, each plant has its own story of survival and resistance, of thriving against all odds in this harsh yet captivating wilderness. And then there are the sunsets. The sunsets. As the day draws to a close, the desert skies become a canvas and the setting sun, the artist. It's a daily spectacle that never fails to inspire, painting the sky with a kaleidoscope of colors. From fiery oranges and reds to soft pinks and purples, each sunset is unique, each more breathtaking than the last. As night falls, the desert transforms once again. The stars come out to play, dotting the inky black sky with a million points of light. It's a sight that humbles and astounds, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. The deserts of Kuwait, a testament to the timeless allure of nature's simplicity. They're a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life, a place where one can truly connect with the earth and oneself. So next time you're seeking an escape, an adventure, or simply a moment of quiet reflection, remember the deserts of Kuwait. They're waiting for you, ready to share their stories, their beauty, and their magic. From the golden deserts, we move to the azure waters of the Arabian Gulf that caress Kuwait's shores. Breathe in the salty air, taste the tang of the sea on your lips. Here, where the desert's heat meets the cooling embrace of the sea, you'll find the sparkling coastline of Kuwait. It's a place where the sun's rays dance on the water's surface, painting a shimmering tableau of light and color that dazzles the eyes and warms the soul. Kuwait's coastline is a marvel to behold, stretching over 500 miles, each inch offering a unique spectacle. Picture the soft sand underfoot, the gentle waves lapping at your toes, the sun setting in a blaze of glory, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and red. It's a sight that can make even the most seasoned traveler pause in awe. Adding to this spectacle are the marinas dotted along the coast, their white sails catching the breeze, their hulls bobbing rhythmically with the ebb and flow of the tide. These marinas are not just a testament to Kuwait's love for the sea, but also to its rich maritime heritage. Here, you can see traditional dhows, their wooden hulls gleaming in the sun, their sails billowing in the wind. These vessels, which have been part of Kuwait's history for centuries, are a sight to behold as they glide gracefully across the water. But the coastline of Kuwait is not just about stunning vistas and maritime heritage. It's also a place of joy and celebration. Picture families picnicking on the beach, children building sandcastles, laughter and music filling the air. Picture friends gathered around a bonfire, the flames mirrored in their eyes, the night sky ablaze with stars. The coastline of Kuwait is a place of beauty, of heritage, of joy. It's a place where the desert's golden hues meet the sea's azure depths, creating a symphony of colors that is as mesmerizing as it is unique. The coastline of Kuwait, where the desert meets the sea in a symphony of colors. From the natural landscapes, we now turn our attention to the man-made wonders of Kuwait. Unfolding before us is a cityscape that effortlessly combines the old and the new, the ancient and the modern, the traditional and the avant-garde. This is the urban beauty of Kuwait, a testament to the nation's architectural prowess and its enduring cultural heritage. As the sun sets, Kuwait City begins to reveal itself in a new light, quite literally. The skyline, adorned with a multitude of modern skyscrapers, sparkles as the city illuminates. Each building is a marvel in its own right, showcasing the nation's forward-thinking architectural ambition. From the tapering Al-Hamra Tower to the iconic Kuwait Towers, the skyline is a testament to the city's ambition and its relentless pursuit of progress. But the city isn't just about towering structures reaching for the heavens. Nestled among these modern wonders are the bustling souks, a throwback to the ancient traditions of trade and commerce. The Souk al-Mubarakia, one of the oldest markets in Kuwait, is a sensory delight. The aroma of exotic spices, the sight of colorful textiles, the sound of animated bargaining. It's a symphony of experiences that harks back to the olden days. The urban landscape of Kuwait is a canvas where the past and the future paint together, where tradition and innovation coexist. The city's architecture tells a story of a nation that values its past, embraces its present, and looks forward to its future. And as we stroll through the city, we can't help but admire the way Kuwait balances its rapid modernization with its commitment to preserving its cultural heritage. Modern malls and shopping complexes stand side by side with traditional souks, high-tech skyscrapers overlook ancient mosques, and state-of-the-art museums house centuries-old artifacts. This is the urban beauty of Kuwait, a city that's as dynamic and diverse as its people. A city that's not afraid to dream big and reach for the stars, yet one that remains firmly rooted in its cultural heritage. The urban landscapes of Kuwait, where tradition and modernity coexist in harmony. And now, let's uncover some of Kuwait's hidden gems that often escape the ordinary traveler's eye. Our first stop is the Green Island, an oasis amidst the desert and sea. This man-made marvel boasts a landscape full of lush greenery, a stark contrast to the desert that surrounds it. Here you can stroll along the well-manicured gardens, enjoy a family picnic, or simply soak in the peace and tranquility that this place offers. The Green Island, with its panoramic views of the city skyline and the azure sea, is a testament to Kuwait's harmonious blend of nature and human ingenuity. Next, we journey to the Mirror House, a spectacle of art and architecture. This house-turned-museum is the brainchild of Italian-Kuwaiti artist Lydia Al-Katan, who transformed her home into a dazzling display of mirror mosaics. Every corner, every crevice of this house is covered in mirrors, creating a kaleidoscope of reflections that will leave you spellbound. The Mirror House isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's an immersive experience that tells the story of the cosmos, life, and evolution through its intricate designs. Finally, we arrive at Al-Shahid Park, a green sanctuary in the heart of the bustling city. This park is not just a place for leisure and recreation, but also a tribute to Kuwait's history and culture. With its modern architecture, beautiful gardens, and breathtaking views of the city, Al-Shahid Park is a haven for both locals and tourists seeking solace from the hustle and bustle of urban life. These places may not be as famous as the towering skyscrapers or the sprawling deserts, but they hold a charm of their own. They represent the diversity and dynamism of Kuwait, a country that beautifully marries tradition with modernity, nature with architecture, and history with the present. Kuwait's hidden gems, a treat for those who dare to venture off the beaten path. So there you have it, the scenic splendors of Kuwait, a land of contrasts and surprises. We journeyed through the majestic deserts, where golden sands meet the azure sky. We explored the sparkling coastline, a paradise where the sun kisses the sea. We discovered the urban landscapes, where modernity and tradition blend in harmony. And we unveiled Kuwait's hidden gems, the secret spots known only to the locals. Each of these places offers a unique lens to view the beauty of Kuwait, a country that embraces its past while stepping confidently into the future. Now it's your turn. We invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. Which corner of the globe would you like us to illuminate next? The choice is yours. And remember, your likes, subscribes, and shares empower us to create more content like this. Your support helps our channel grow. Until next time, keep wandering.